Welcome to HVAC official channel. In today's video, we dive deep into one of the most important topics in modern HVAC, energy efficiency. Whether you're a homeowner, technician, or engineer, improving your HVAC system's efficiency can save you money and energy. By the end of this video, you'll learn practical ways to enhance performance, lower bills, and understand what makes an HVAC system truly energy efficient. So, let's get started. Chapter 1. What is energy efficiency in HVAC? Energy efficiency in HVAC refers to how effectively a heating, ventilation, or air conditioning system uses electricity to provide comfort. A more efficient system means lower energy bills and reduced environmental impact. We measure this efficiency using ratings like SEER, Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio, EER, Energy Efficiency Ratio, HSPF, Heating Seasonal Performance Factor. These ratings help you compare HVAC systems and choose the most efficient option. Chapter 2. Why energy efficiency matters: lower electricity bills, reduced carbon footprint, longer system life, better comfort and control. With rising electricity costs, an efficient HVAC system is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Chapter 3. Key components that impact efficiency. Let's talk about the components inside HVAC systems that affect efficiency. Compressors, inverter versus standard, variable speed blowers, smart thermostats, zoning systems, well-sealed ductwork. These elements work together to reduce wasted energy and maintain ideal temperature. Chapter 4. Best practices to improve HVAC efficiency. Here are some ways to boost efficiency. Schedule regular maintenance. Change air filters every 1 to 3 months. Seal duct leaks. Upgrade insulation. Install programmable or smart thermostats. Use ceiling fans to support airflow. Also, upgrade old units that are 10+ years old with Energy Star rated models. Chapter 5. Smart technology and automation. Smart thermostats like Nest, Ecobee, or Honeywell allow remote control and learning-based schedules, adapting to your daily habits. Zoning systems allow different temperatures in different parts of your home or building, reducing wasted energy. Automation is the future of efficient HVAC. Chapter 6. Residential versus commercial efficiency. Residential systems focus on small-scale comfort and cost savings. Commercial systems aim for large-scale efficiency using chillers, VRF systems, and building management systems, BMS. Both have energy-saving potential, but the strategies differ. Chapter 7. Future trends in HVAC efficiency. AI-based HVAC management, low GWP refrigerants, integration with renewable energy, energy recovery ventilators, ERV. These trends are shaping the HVAC world in 2025 and beyond. Chapter 8. Case study, real savings. Let's look at a real-world example. A home in Karachi upgraded to an inverter AC and added a smart thermostat. Their monthly bill dropped by 35% within 3 months. In commercial settings, businesses using chillers with VFDS, variable frequency drives, reported up to 40% energy savings. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide useful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others in the HVAC field. Let us know in the comments, what do you do to save energy with your HVAC system? Stay tuned for more expert HVAC videos, only on HVAC official channel.